Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by moving directly into the school and locating Larry's likely path. Once inside, sweep the lobby, locker rows, and the first hallway quickly. Search for the blue keycard and any torn notes. Make sure to trigger conversations with nearby students and staff. Those dialogues unlock Larry's location. If an NPC refuses to talk, backtrack one room and re-enter. This often resets their interaction. By doing these immediate steps, you create the conditions to find Larry and start his side sequence. Once you have the items and initial talks done, use the blue keycard on restricted doors like the teacher's lounge to access new NPCs. Then complete the small fetch tasks, return half of the missing items or a specific note to unlock Larry's scene. Pay attention to environmental cues such as flickering lights, footsteps, or changes in music. These indicate progress and hidden triggers. If a door remains locked, rescan nearby rooms for alternate switches or a janitor NPC who can open access. To finish, approach Larry after his scene appears and use sympathetic dialogue choices to build trust. This enables completion of his questline. Then complete the short puzzle or QuickTime action that follows. Solve the simple pattern, press the sequence, or align objects to resolve his issue. If progress stalls, reload the last checkpoint and replay the exact sequence of interactions, or revisit NPCs you spoke to earlier to retrigger dialogue flags. This troubleshooting tip fixes most soft locks and lets you complete the school segment.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.